Yes, guys, we're here tonight with another cooking video. You want the water for drink? You want the water for drink? I'm not even having a cup. Try not this and me drink it. No, you let me drink it. So, guys, yes, you know, say coconut water, a good water for you, though. No. Why not?
Eat a video. Natural water. You talk about natural, them are natural water, my people.
Boy, it tastes nice. Real native coconut. This is what you call native coconut. Real Jamaican coconut. Yeah. So right now, Sean I got grater that now I'm blend it up. How we go the grater is our blend.
Let us do old school way now, so I'm small one, so I just go greater that one.
Alright, so I'm going to grate the coconut. So what we have on the menu tonight, we are going to cook some fish in a coconut juice. Yeah. Spot, leave me something spot. I'm going to go on with it. Be good with that. Go on with the spot. So yes guys, this is enough to do what we are going to do. So yes guys, here is the ingredients that we're going to use on the fish. The fish will cook down in a coconut juice, you see. So and yeah, and here is the food. We're going to use yam, dumpling and banana. Yeah, real Jamaican dish. So yeah. So yes guys, you can see the coconut juice a bubble. Bubble it a bubble. Bubble it a bubble. Real natural coconut, yeah. Real native coconut. Yeah man. So yeah man, real coconut something.
That someone would pass away because of the bite. It's probably not a great idea. Your favorite. Have you seen any of them in person? Do let us know in the comments below. Like always, if you enjoyed it,
so here we have guys, here are the ingredients that we're going to use on the fish. So we have carrot, scallion and thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, and we also have Irish sweet pepper. So we're going to pour it in now. Right in.
Conclusion. There you have it, folks. 12 bad habits that can silently harm your kidneys. But the good news is, with a few lifestyle changes, you can protect these vital organs and enjoy.
There it is now, guys. Wow, you want to smell that smell? Why, smell good. Nah, lie. So look there, guys. Yep. So we're gonna make this simmer down for a while. Then we add the fish. I'm gonna show you in the video. So yes guys, see flour here I need now. This is all you need, flour. Yeah man. So guys, just remember to like, share, comment down below and tell me if you like this video. And I hope you guys are also enjoying all the videos that I'm uploading. Yep. So see that we have a flour yes already now. We have a banana and a yam peel off already. And we also have the fish them right here. So we're gonna put in the coconut juice. Yeah, fish them seasoned already. Looking good. So yes guys, here we're gonna add the fishes now. Yo. So yes guys, the phone battery get really low, so I'm going to use my other light so you guys can see. So we're adding in the fish now. So yeah, so this fish is cooking in coconut juice, native coconut juice. So yeah, so yes guys, we're gonna give this at least 5 minutes and then we check it back. Yeah. Here's the finished product
When a
of
rhino
the
calf is
boiled
involved in the
food
situation,
cooked with
moments later,
fish
one of
in
the
coconut
trucks sees a
milk.
chance to pass them, and what happens next shows how these animals are the tanks of nature.
So we have boiled banana, yam, boiled dumpling. May I come there with
Luckily
fish.
for everyone in the
So
truck,
guys,
the
remember
rhino
to like,
fails
comment,
hit
share,
them,
and
leaving
subscribe.
them unharmed. A zoo trip
So unreal
quickly
China.
turned grim after a man Saskatchewan. One man got the experience of a lifetime after he came face to face with a hungry black bear. The clip begins with the man recording a video of the animal climbing up a tree where he was initially